Today, we're checking out teardrop campers from New Camp. This is the 2025 lineup. Let's check it out. What is going on, everyone? If you're new here, my name is McKinley, and my family and I have been RVing for over 15 years, so we know a thing or two about RVing. If you are interested in product reviews, traveling adventures, tips and tricks, and so much more, please consider subscribing, and if you find this video helpful, give it a like. Alright, so we are at the New Camp booth, and they've got lots of neat models for 2025, so let's go and check some of them out. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one, which is the Tag SE. So this little teardrop camper, it's pretty much a bed inside. That's what these small ones are. You do have a vent fan in the ceiling, a nice window in the front, and this one is $14,323. You have this little kitchenette in the back with no appliances, but overall, this right here is a simplistic RV, and it's a little pricey. Let's go ahead and check out this one for $26,426. This is the Tag XL Boondock in Black Canyon. Now, this one has got a rear kitchen with a hatchback door, and then you also have a sink, cooktop, and a little fridge. You've got a spare tire mounted on the side, stabilizing jacks, and then a side window. And what's really cool about this is that you have this front little storage area where your propane tank is stored. Now, you do have a crank jack on here, which I'm surprised this RV for the price doesn't have some sort of small electric tongue jack. You do have a roof rack on the top, and then over to the side you've got these nice running boards, and then check out the inside. It's pretty nice for a teardrop. You've got AC in the back, lots of cabinet space, a vent fan in the ceiling, and then the window up in the front. You also got a light on the exterior as well as a window, and then this RV has pass-through entry doors. Let's head over to this one, which is the Tab 320 Boondock in Black Canyon. Now, this one is a little bit bigger. Now, most people can probably stand up at this one. I'm 6 foot, and my head is hitting the ceiling right now. But overall, this one is pretty nice. You've got this dinette area in the back, a kitchen up in the front with a really nice window. Then you have this wet bath, which is going to have your sink, toilet, and shower. You've got a 2-burner cooktop up in the front, a refrigerator with a freezer, and then your sink. But over to the dinette, this right here is kind of like a dinette that drops down into a queen-size bed. And then you do have a microwave in this teardrop, so pretty nice. Heading to the outside of this RV, you've got a pretty nice paint job. You do have the window up in the front, a side light, the propane tank up front. Unfortunately, there is no price on this RV because it is a prototype. But let's go ahead and check out the next one, which is the Tab 320 Boondock in Black Canyon. Now, this one has a little bit darker of an exterior, but honestly, this one is the exact same floor plan as the last Tab 320 that we toured. The only difference is that this one has a couple of different exterior colors and additions. This right here is the Tab 400 Boondock Black and Canyon. This one has a dedicated dinette that drops down into a small bed up in the front, large window as well as a little porthole window, huge wet bath, and then in the back you have a queen-size bed, and then you have your kitchen, which is, you know, going to have your cooktop, microwave, sink, and all that good stuff. That right there is going to do it for the models that we toured at the Florida RV Super Show of the New Camp teardrop campers. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.